long ahem pu iklo lapen alang li bangke voice of the hills budi voice of the Karbi hills po alang li wanda churulo lapen alang li pansitami kosam ajum te
This is a significant day to not only media personnel but for the entire society, because media is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy alongside legislative, executive and judiciary. Because media informs the citizen about its right, privilege and also act as a watchdog of all government policies and check against power abuse, corruption and all kinds of injustice prevailing in the society. On this,
sir, pini labang so mai long nalihin pen pisipu ba sir?
Pini indeng itom di third edition digital Karbi anglong digital news forum atau pen patir people so conference itu pagi anglong pen kirup pen miulo all Karbi anglong digital news amalik pen cenglong mana owner pen cenglong pen reporting atung pen cenglong teglong da ning sedikit do ketem kedam lapen award di tuman fasa ini congratulations pilo ason ning sivet pen ke bang tu isi platform itu tulong kirup
alang litum sabso ke bang hong nane lapu sai do ko kapot alom sapor pi paneli litum apor eniklo na karchu ponik ji doiglan lapen dak nilitum pachini poniket po Karbi anglong today long ahem pu keli tum akong chun banglo na than rong hanga ke hai alang li phan bang ke pamosi ili tum archu pon papanik dadlo na si patai si richard ponik sinan lapen ikapan kacipachini chini lo kadau eta sitame aphan an alomso apor apu RJ kacipaklang ike phan chuning riglo perangkyang bong penarji ke menai award pijipte ke kaita thaksi yang menang dengsi po alang li nut tek pik lapen reset inut apirangke alang li phan ke nili tum karcho andeng deng poniket lo lapen Karbi anglong live CEO lapen
Smiley.
I convey my greetings to all media personnel, owner of all media house, and my esteemed media friends on the occasion of third edition of Digital News Conference 2025. Kachinghon, Karbi anglong Digital News Forum, Amaipu, Rong Parsanggo, Lapen Komchumbang, Nathan Rongha, Pen Office Bearer Doan, Pini Lason Apor, Indeng Itom Edition Digital News Conference, Dak Lankung Habe along Paman along Nilifan, Chief Guest ng Kehang Apor, Nili Ningatlong, Apin Ningarong Pik Pensinal itong along Pinila so Apor ng Chitong Duno, Nili big congratulations sinal itong Digital News Conference ke pachut ring apor nili akadong pacheri lo